Hey folks, Florida Trailblazer here, checking in on the Florida Trail, enjoying the nice calm breeze that's flowing through these longleaf pine forests in which I sit in right now. I'm checking in with you right now on the Florida Trail here in the Ocala National Forest here in North Florida on this beautiful day. Look at the clear blue skies. And the temperature is perfect, almost about 70 degrees, about 65 or so. It's mid-January, perfect hiking season out here. And this area of the forest is an upland pine forest. It's very dry here as well. Not real swampy, nothing like that in this area. Anyways, I wanted to show you where I'm at on the Florida Trail map I have here. Check this out. Here we have my map. And we are in this section of Florida, North Florida, Ocala National Forest. And on the trail here is this orange Florida Trail here. We are by here, Lake Delancy campground. And that's where I started at the trailhead here. You can actually hike north or south. And right now I'm hiking south through this pine forest, which you just saw. You can keep going and try to make it down the grassy pond, which is right here. So I'm in this stretch right here. And it's quite a beautiful stretch of forest. Great for hiking. Here's the orange blaze of the Florida Trail marking. Folks, so why don't you take a walk with me for a couple minutes here. Enjoy the peace and tranquility of this trail. When you walk through here, it's almost like a journey through this pine forest. Just rows of pine trees. It's rolling hills, so you're going up and down. And there's parts of the forest when you look off in the distance, you see deep impressions in the ground, and it's just remarkable. There's the sun right above us. It's about afternoon time, about 12 or 1 o'clock. So the sun's just passing overhead as we're heading south. That Lake Delancy on the map that I showed you folks, that's a great place too, the camp. I noticed when I was up there. There's a lot of camping areas where you can set up your tent or RV. They have ATV trails through here, so I've been hearing ATVs off in the distance. So if you come here, there's a lot of recreational things to do besides hitting the Florida Trail. It's just an added bonus. To get back there, you're going to have to travel down a forest road of sorts for several miles. It's well worth it, as you can see. Wow, not a cloud in the sky today either. Well, there's some over there, but just very slightly. And on the forest floor, I see grasses coming up. I see young pine trees spurting up. It's a very young forest right here, it looks like. And I can tell evidence of prescribed burning. They burn back the forest for ecological reasons, and trees grow back. It's to keep the forest healthy in a way. Trail is well maintained. Look at this. Along the trail, it's all these pine needles, so it's very soft to walk on, very comfortable. And it's well marked with the orange blazes, and you can see the trail. Can't miss it.